Alright my friends, here we are. The Delta Bombardier, Bombardier cs100. Has a model number G2DAL701. It's in effect the new branded Airbus 220-100. Part of the Sky Team. The Sky Team logo, here it is. Let's get into it. See the Delta Sky Team logo, the L1 door, billboard titles, a lot of nice looking windows, L2 door, and the L3 door. There's only 3 doors on each side. Yep, 3 doors on each side. There's the luggage door on the starboard side. Baggage door. There's not a lot of baggage room in this plane, I bet. It seats from 120 to 135 people. It's got a longer range than the 220-300. It's like around 3,600 miles, 3,600 nautical miles. And I think the stretch version of 300 is like 3,400 miles. You barely get across to a long haul flight across the United States from like maybe Miami to Seattle. Maybe you can't do that, I don't know. You probably wouldn't want to be on this plane longer than 2 or 3 hours anyway. I think it's got the 2x3 seating, yeah. It's got the 2x3 seating, 5 people across. These are nice antennas. Let's get that rounded nose looking really low to the ground. Landing gear is not removable. Is that a baggage door there too? If I can zoom in. Yeah, that's a baggage door there too. It does have 2 doors. I guess one in the front, one in the back. Probably not connected. It's probably not a pass-through. Look at the engines. I like putting the planes on the small stands. I don't like those little wire stands they give you. I'd much rather like have a little tiny narrow bodied stand. Alright, here to give you an idea what it would look like on a runway. This runway is built to scale actually. not going to take up much of the runway. Here's the 220-300. Not taking up much more of the runway either. You know what this plane is? You can tell by the nose. I'll let you see the 220-100, 220-300, and the much bigger 767. Here it is, ground level. Alright, let's see what the next plane's gonna be. The 767-300 ER, and after that one we have the Hawaiian Airlines. Do you know? Let's put it tail to tail so you can see the tail heights. Tail heights almost identical. 767 to the 787. This is a Dreamliner, 787-9. Put them nose to nose, see what they look like. I like the Hawaiian. I like the Dreamliners. Alright guys, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and I appreciate you watching if you made it this far. If you made it this far, you have to smash this thumbs up button for me. And I'll see you on the next videos. Johnny V out with the 220-300, the Airbus 220-100, British Airways 767-300, and the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner by Hawaiian. See you on the next one. Peace out, guys.